Couples counseling doesn't come cheap. And it's not just the money, and it's not even the time investment. It's the emotional cost because you have to face stuff that you don't want to face, and you have to hear stuff that you don't want to hear. And if you get pummeled by that tough stuff every single week without a break, things can start to unravel. You can find yourself with fatigue or a raging headache that never goes away. Counselors are always reassuring. They're going to tell you it's got to get worse before it gets better, right? But surely there's a better way. Hi, I'm Amy Waterman, a dating and relationship expert with yourbrilliance.com. And in this video, I'm going to give you a quick and easy test to find out if your relationship is worth saving. We all want to believe that we can fix things if we just read enough about it and have a crack. Like, there's no point in getting an expert in unless it's a real emergency, right? It's kind of like, that leaky faucet that you're sure you can fix without calling a plumber. You print off a few diagrams or instruction sheets off the internet and you sit down with your tools, and an hour later, you're in tears because you have no idea what you've done and you've got water shooting every which way. So sometimes the do-it-yourself spirit is misguided, but hopefully not here. So, do you need to call in the experts on your relationship, or will an instruction sheet printed off the internet do? It's time to take the 7-day kindness challenge. And here's what that entails. For 1 week, be kind. Every day, in every way, be kind to him. Even if he really pisses you off. Even if everything he does reminds you of how dumb you were to hook your life to this guy. Oh yeah, it's not easy. When your relationship is unraveling, the last thing you want to do is be kind. You want to fight. You want to argue. You want him to know everything he's doing wrong because you feel disappointed. You're upset. You're angry. And to be honest, he's not nice to you, so why should you be nice to him? Well, I'm asking you to put all that on hold for just 1 week. Spend 7 days making nice comments, showing appreciation, doing the little things for him, and being loving. Like, it's only a week, right? You can do anything for a week, can't you? Because here's the thing. You can't fix your relationship by focusing on everything that's wrong with it. It's like sitting in front of that leaky faucet and telling it why it shouldn't leak and how much that dripping sound irritates you and how much your water bill is costing you. That's not going to fix the leak. That's just going to make you madder. The only thing that is going to fix the leak is learning how the faucet should work. How do the parts of a faucet function when they're performing their role like they should? And what can you do to your faucet to turn it into that perfectly functioning faucet of your dreams? Well, I can tell you one thing about perfectly functioning relationships. In relationships that work, people are kind to one another. They tread carefully around one another's sensitive spots. They do the little things that show they care. They ask each other how each other's day went. They take time to look up, make eye contact, and smile. And if they have to talk about something difficult, they do it in a way that doesn't shame or blame. So no matter how bad things get, they don't want to make their partner feel bad. They just want to get back to loving one another again. Being kind creates a safe space in your relationship. Your partner can relax knowing that you're not going to bite his head off or attack just at the moment he's sitting down to relax. And that's one reason it's so important to schedule a time and a place for those difficult discussions, because when they come out of nowhere, we just feel ambushed. Sometimes that simple act of being kind to one another can sort out problems on his own. So many problems in relationships stem from feeling unloved or unappreciated. And all it takes to start the healing is an act of kindness. But not all relationship problems can be solved by one person. And that's why it's so important that your partner's on board too. Will he accept the 7-day kindness challenge? If he refuses to try, or if he agrees but he doesn't really make any effort, then that's a red flag. It's not nice to live with someone who can't call a truce for a mere 7 days. But if you can both be kind to one another, then you have a really good chance at sorting out what's driving you apart. You've demonstrated that you can put love first. You understand that a part of kindness consists in loving people more than they deserve. So there you have it. If you're struggling in your relationship, take the 7-day kindness challenge. See what happens if you can both be kind to each other for 1 week. And if you can't do it, if sniping at each other is too much of a habit, then you may want to call in expert help. But if you can do it, then there's hope. So do you think you could make it 7 whole days without being unkind? What do you think the hardest part about this challenge might be? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great videos about how you can live your most brilliant life. And if you've got a moment to come over to yourbrilliance.com, you can find tons more information there on relationships as well as beauty, health, career, you name it. We would love to see you there. See you again soon.